I know. Wait, Ari, what do you mean? Like it's on Twitch? How? Oh wait. Um. No, I can change the. Yeah, no, you can change the name of the live stream. The Smith Plays did it. Um. Enable autos. Phew, camera. Wait, how do I change the name of the stream? Oh, there we go. And with Alright, I spelt the name of it wrong, but whatever. Yeah, Nick, I have 2 people watching me. How do you feel? Alright, I'm back. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just gonna give a shout out. This is a new channel that the guy that I've been playing with, Anthemasta, we have a channel together. It's called The Zombros, and we just started like 2 days ago. So it would really help us to get started off with like a couple subs. Right now we got 4. So wait, it says you were added to the game, but you're actually not. That's weird. All right. I'm gonna invite Martine. Find match. And if you guys want us to stop playing Infected, you can just post in the comments. I say post in the comments like it's YouTube, but it's not. Antonio, your guy actually looks like an older version of you. It's so weird. Your character. No, that's not black. That's just like that's like Hispanic. All right, everyone. All right, to those 2 people people who are watching the stream, post in the chat if you think that Antonio's character is Hispanic or black.
Infected.
All right, dude. There's 8 of us and 4 of them. There's no way that they can kill us. Yeah, dude. The guy said that he's Hispanic. Yes, he is. All right. To Dak 13. Can you just roast him for me? Can you just roast the person that I'm playing with? Oh.
Time extended. Target's down.
I died.
Time extended.
You know what? I've been thinking about this. How about
Time extended.
wait, so to this one person, if you have an Xbox One, actually I will let you join the game. I will send you an invite.
Target in the hangar now.
Yeah, if you want to play Exo Zombies Carrier with us, you can just say that in the chat and I'll invite you. So if you want to play with us, then you can just tell me. So. Oh, you should see him! Oh my god! Dude, he roasted you! Oh! He doesn't have Xbox One, but... Oh my gosh! He roasted you, Antonio! Oh. He says... I bet his eyebrows look like 10 surfboards. I bet his eyebrows look like 10 surfboards duct taped together. Oh my gosh, he roasted you. That's not racist. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh dude. Doc13, I need you to roast him again. He said that that's not even roasting, it's just being an ass. You need to roast him back, boy. You need to stick up for yourself. He just said that's being an ass. You needed to be roasted, Antonio. Oh, dude, I got another viewer. I got 3 viewers. How do you feel? You know what? After this, I'll just change the name of the live stream. I'll name it The Roasting of a Century. Actually, no, in Spanish class yesterday, one guy left. I don't know who it was. But, so in Spanish class yesterday, so one of my friends is called, so I have a friend named Vikesh, and his sister's name is Nikita. So yesterday, 2 days ago actually, Nikita's chair, like the top of it came off. So she couldn't sit, or else she would like fall through the chair, or like sink into it. So she had to go sit next to AJ up in the front. AJ is a kid in the class, obviously, and she wanted to go back to your seat. So then Rakesh is like, Neek, just move that chair back. Just move that chair over to your seat. And then this kid Henry is like, brother looking out for sister. And then this kid Judd is like, more like boyfriend looking out for girlfriend. And then Vikesh is like, I will murder you in your sleep. And then everyone's just like, oh! Oh! It was crazy. Even Antonio, you just need to get roasted. You need to get roasted by that.
Time extended.
You need to be roasted by that girl that you like. Get off the map. No one likes you. Shooting you in your balls because that's what you deserve to be shot in the wee wee. Oh, really, bro? Really?
Time extended.
You have a virtual butt. I don't think that anyone wants to kiss your virtual ass. No one likes you, Antonio. No one wants to suck your ass. That's gay. Why do you have to be so gay, Antonio?
Time extended.
No, I was looking at the chat. Dude, Doc13, you gotta roast my friend back. He said that after you roasted him, he said that is not even roasting, that is just called being an ass. So you gotta roast him back, boy. I'm gonna check the comments, I mean the chat, like every minute.
Squad, that was textbook.
Oh, the guy said that he might get an Xbox One for his birthday. Oh, snap. I don't know. Oh, wait. I'll be right back. I need to go get my phone charger. Snap. Alright. Alright, I'm back. Alright, I'm gonna charge my phone. Because my phone is almost dead and I need to see the comments. If I just keep on getting like a viewer by... Oh, dude! Wait. Some guy... Another guy in the chat said the Zombros called the Zombros 123 because that guy is black. No, he's not. Yeah. Antonio, you can't post your own comments on my stream. Wait, I can barely hear you at all. Go closer to your mic or something. Wait, so you were the other viewer the whole time?
Survive by any means necessary.
Alright, Antonio, talk. I can't hear you. I literally heard hello. Seriously, talk. Talk. Talk.
Time extended.
Hello, Antonio. You know what? Just screw you, Antonio. If you're gonna be like this, then I just don't care. You can do whatever you want. You don't have to talk if you don't want to. Okay.
Time extended. Time extended. Thrown out.
Huh. Everyone's just throwing their things. This is like... Mate, I can't crouch.
Time extended. Time extended.
Antonio, I can't hear you talk.
Time extended.
No, people are dying.
Time extended.
Headshot. Dude, I got 4 viewers.
You've been infected.
Ha, Antonio, I got 4 viewers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is just... Who don't got no bitches? You got no bitches. Aw. Never mind. I failed.
Time extended.
Antonio. Oh my gosh, lag. Antonio is the cause of the lag. Blame him for everything.
Well fought, gents. I knew we hired you for a reason.